Hey everyone, it's Johnna, the Preppy Crafty Girl, and I am here with the Secret Santa from hashtag Christmas in July Swap 2025. It is hosted by and created by Carol at the Crinkle Path, and then other hosts that are also participating are Sarah at New England Junk Journals, Pam at Pan Van E Journal Maker, and Angela at The Traveling Crafter. So I just want to open up my gift that came in. We're supposed to, this is package 1 of 3 packages, and we were supposed to decorate and anonymously mail 3 handmade tags. And so this is my number 1 package that just came in the mail, and I want to share. First off, okay, trinkets, yes. So that is awesome. Love how this is wrapped. It's so cute with this sparkly tissue paper and a beautiful grosgrain ribbon. Love it. Love the joy. I'm gonna add that to my journal. So I'm super excited, and I'm having fun going and watching other people open up what they received. So we were supposed to give them a little hint of like journals that we're working on and items that we're kind of sourcing for. Oh my goodness. How cute is that photo? Oh, I love this clip. You know, I just got some of these. That is adorbs. Love it. That is a super cute photo. Oh, there's a note in here. Happy Christmas in July with all the love, your Secret Santa. Secret Santa. It's so secret, the C is hidden. So, oh my gosh, the card is really cute. Oh, fun. This is cool. Love that. Oh, these are fun. Bingo. Love it. I love the red blue theme for Christmas. It's like wintry kind of, doesn't have to be Christmas. I guess that's the envelope. Oh, I love the topper. Very cute. Let's take that off. I have no idea who this is, so let's see. Very sweet little vintage thing, some tickets, some fun tags with trim. Is this open or that's just stuck on there? I can't tell. Oh, this is so cute with the little hidden pocket. Very cute. Oh, look at this, adorable. Isn't he cute with the snow pile behind him? Adorable. This is really, really cute. You know what I love about this too is that you see other people's styles, and also this is just a really fun idea. Oh, this opens up and has something in it too. Love this idea. Let's see. Get it out of here. I have like fumbly fingers. Oh, does it open? Oh, it opens with Velcro. Hello. Okay, sorry, I couldn't figure that out. Nice little folio. All right, there's something out here. Is this supposed to be a hint from Barberton, Ohio? I don't know. Is that a hint? Look at this picture, all snowed in. Oh my goodness, you need a snow plow for that one. Okay, this is so cute. Well, it says do not open until December 25th. Well, I opened it because we're supposed to. Very cute little package. Oh, and that flips up. Oh, this flips again. Oh, that's a cute idea for a little hidden journaling. Love it. Love this. What a great tag. Oh, and there's something. Is there something behind that? Ooh, that's vintage. Just like vintage wrapping paper. And then that's tucked in there with a chocolate drink cap. Okay, this, awesome. Love that design. And then we have bingo cards with fun vintage buttons. What? Oh my goodness, I don't want to tear the paper. Isn't that sweet? Oh, I probably didn't. Did I have to? How do you get in this thing? Let me in! Let me in! Okay, let's check this out. Oh, this is so cute! Wow. Okay, is there more than one here, or are they all just stuck together? I can't tell. Okay, this is, it looks like there's more than one there, but is it just stuck together? Maybe it's the board. I can't tell. Maybe it's just stuck to the board. Maybe it's part of the box. I don't know. It's really super thick, but that would make a great journal cover. Love it. Very neat. Look how beautiful that is. Oh, and look at, okay. So this one, I don't have to take apart. I can just pull that out. Ooh, with the velvet around it. See the warm mittens, said Susan. The mittens are for snowman. Oh, I love with the little mittens and the snowman. How cute is that? Like tells the story. Oh, this is, oh my goodness. This is so neat. And it's just a card. It's done with a card. Love that. Peter and Ellen rolled a ball of snow. I love it. I know I love the winter more. I love Christmas. Don't get me wrong. It's the birth of my Savior. However, I love the winter scenes and things like that because Christmas kind of goes by so fast, and then you have January, February, and you're left with this meh. So I kind of like to keep journaling through the winter holiday, and this is perfect. So when I filled mine out, I said I wanted more wintry stuff, but I love it all. I love Christmas. So yeah, thank you so much, Secret Santa. What a great little surprise that came in yesterday. I love the trinkets on here. So if it's somebody who definitely follows me. I will see you guys soon, and I'll be back with package number 2 when it comes in the mail next week. Bye, guys.